If your Galaxy S24 answers calls automatically, it could be that it is set to do so. To fix such a problem, you simply have to disable the feature. Here's how it's done. First, tap the Home button to return to the home screen. From the home screen, swipe down from the top to open the notification page, then tap the settings icon. On the settings page, scroll down and select Accessibility. Next, tap on Interaction and Dexterity. In the Interaction section, tap on Answering and Ending Calls. Now, find the option for Answer Automatically and tap the toggle to disable it. And that's how you can fix such a problem. However, if it still answers calls automatically even if the feature is disabled, then what you need to do next is to reset all settings of your phone. To do so, just go back to the main settings screen and then tap on General Management. Tap on Reset and then select Reset All Settings. Tap on the Reset Settings button to proceed. Your phone will reboot after the reset, and the problem should already be fixed after that. And that's it. We hope this video has been helpful. Thanks for watching this video. Be sure to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tutorials.